1, Special Data Saragon. Today we are Group 1. We will present our Chapter 2 entitled Desmos Application Towards Enhancing the Achievements of STEM Students. Research design. Is our research design. This study is a quantitative research design that utilizes non-experimental research with descriptive approach. Since the researcher will only determine whether Desmos application is an effective learning environment for STEM students in studying mathematics. In addition, the researcher will describe its effectiveness by conducting a survey for 100 STEM students. The result of the survey will determine if Desmos application could enhance the achievement of STEM students. Kaya, quantitative research na non-experimental with descriptive approach kasi kami ay magsasurvey ng STEM students and yung makuha namin data dun sa survey na yun ay yung makapagpa-determine kung makakatulong ba talaga yung Desmos application. Sample study. The participants of this study are Grade 12 STEM students at Jose Abad Santos High School. Grade 12 STEM students use Desmos application to meet their demands in learning mathematics in the midst of indefinite classes. Grade 12 STEM students in June JASHS has three sections consist of 40 students per section with a total of 120 STEM students. The researchers will use the Slovitz formula to determine the sample size. Where n sample size for 120 STEM students is the total population. Based on the sample size, the researcher will expect 92 STEM students as respondents and 100 STEM students. In addition, we will explain furthermore with this formula. We will determine that the 92 STEM students are our minimum and 100 STEM students are our maximum respondents. Based on this sample size, the researcher will expect 92 STEM students as respondents, which is our minimum respondents, and 100 STEM students for maximum respondents.
Research instrument. The researchers use a survey method as a research instrument which consists of questionnaires that the respondents could answer using Likert scale. On the questionnaire part, it is divided into two parts. First is the demographic profile of the school of the respondents, which includes their name, grade, and section. The second is a research questionnaire that is divided into four parts. First, how often the student use the Desmos application. Second, the branch of mathematics. Third, the student views about the Desmos application. And lastly, the effect of Desmos application in senior high school performance in mathematics. We use survey method because we want to know if the Desmos application is really helpful in students like us and studying mathematics.
Additionally, these survey questionnaires will be validated by the professors such as Sir Rabon to determine if our research instrument will be an effective survey questionnaires for our respondents.
Data gathering procedure. The researcher will collect the data by the use of survey questionnaire. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Jay kanina, kailangan pa namin ipavalidate yung survey questionnaire namin bago namin ipasagot sa mga respondents namin. The primary goal of this study is to determine the Desmos application will enhance the achievement of grade 12 STEM students at Jose Abad Santos High School through the use of survey questionnaire via Google Form. The researcher will expect the at least 92 respondents minimum and 100 respondent maximum. Then the researcher will gather the data by the use of statistical tools to measure table number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yung table number 2, yung tables na to, nakapaloob dito kung paano namin makuha yung frequency, percentage, tapos weighted mean and interpretation.
Now let's proceed to our data analysis. The researcher will analyze the data and will use the following formula to interpret the data that will be gathered. To know the percentage of the population and the average of all the answered survey questionnaires, the formula used were the number 1 is the mean is equal to the sum of all data over the number of data values. This is the formula where x sir, ano tawag dito, sir? Wala siyang tawag na ano, sir, pinaka-ano. Where this is the mean and the sigma x is the sum of all.
Take the time, sir. What may discuss first? What's next?
Next na.
Ayun na.
That's the last part.
Data analysis.